All right, guys, Captain Matt here, just talking about maintenance. As you can see, this is a white light on a gorgeous white fence. You can see how dirty it's gotten from probably birds and whatnot. So all I do is I'm using a rag with some water on it for these ones. These are a hard metallistic plastic type material. And then I'm gonna wipe it down. You can see the difference already. Well, hopefully you can on the video. And this is why we do this every time we do a maintenance visit. So once or twice a year. All right. Now I'm using a red rag, so we got some red cloth left behind. I'm just gonna use a dry cloth I keep on me and brush that off, and look how much better that one looks. I'm gonna show another one too. Okay, here's another one example of maintenance. I'm gonna try to leave it right here. All right, this is just water and a cloth. Try to make it all look nice and like we just installed it. Look at that difference. Cleaned, not cleaned. And that's all you gotta do. So on these, the plastic type fixtures, we use water, and in brass we use WD-40.